you know, I'm off the river here. I'm out here in the Colorado mountains, and I needed a quick hammock setup. The roads up there we pulled off, and I just wanted to kind of like find a little quick camping spot. This is the Eno Rainfly, so I think they call this the Superfly. That's set up because it did rain a little bit, and you see how perfect that thing works. And I use these sticks and I put it in porch mode here. But one of the things that I recommend the most, this right here, is the AYAMAYA Underquilt. And this underquilt is a mandatory for anyone at hammock camps. And let me just kind of like show you how this thing is set up. To set this thing up, you've got these bungees right here. You can see it runs off of these bungees. It hooks onto my straps, my hammock straps. It's got a secondary hook that hooks in right there. So it has this little bit of bend to it. It goes around like this, and then it hooks on that side over there. So the hammock runs through it, and it adds an extra layer to your hammock right there. And this is like really strong ripstop nylon, and it's got like filament inside of it, so it stays super warm. Has a little attachment here that you can roll it around like that. I have this underquilt with me any times the temps are going to be low. This is something I highly recommend for anyone that does any type of hammock camping, or just kind of like wants to get out and stay warm while they're camping. And it's got a little bit of waterproofing. You know, it's not 100% waterproof, but you can see right there it got a little wet, but it dries super fast. And it comes with this little stuff sack, so you get a little stuff sack to stuff it down into so you can carry it easy. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the AYAMAYA Underquilt.